Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here is my second Walgreens haul. These deals started on Sunday, May 30th, and they are good up until Saturday, June 5th. Right here, I do have two separate transactions, but before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Also, you guys, this is going to be the video where I will be choosing the 5 giveaway winners. Each winner will receive $20 via Cash App or Venmo. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, you guys. Watch it all the way through. And I will be revealing those winners in this video. So let's go ahead and get started with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, you guys, I purchased this 6=11 pack of Bounty paper towels, this Gillette Fusion 5 razor, this Poise 1x Poise 2-in-1 liners, 2 things of Crest Toothpaste. I know you probably can't see it, but I purchased this, I think this is a 92 ounce of Tide liquid. And then I purchased the 42 count of Tide Pods, also with this bag of noodles. So in this transaction, you guys, I used all digital coupons. I had a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. And I had a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And it is also, well, I did this transaction on yesterday, which was May 31st. So that was still my birthday month. So I got some extra points back from that as well. So with the Bounty, the Tide liquid, and the Tide Pods, they are priced this week at Walgreens for $11.94. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $10 registry reward. So you can mix and match between the Bounty and the Tide, and then also the Charmin. I forgot what size rose is a part of it, but you can mix between those, mix and match between those items. They are $11.94, and when you buy 3, you will receive a $10 registry reward. So I purchased those 3 items. So $11.94 times 3 is $35.82. I used a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and then I had a 25-cent digital coupon for the Bounty. So $35.82 minus the $3.25 that I used in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $32.57. And when you buy 3, you will receive a $10 registry reward. I did receive my $10 registry reward right here. So with receiving this $10 registry reward, it brought my total down to just $22.57 for all 3 items, or it makes each item just $7.52, but I didn't pay that. Next up is the Gillette Fusion 5, and this is priced at Walgreens for $9.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.99 minus that $3 digital coupon brought the total down to just $6.99. And when you buy 1, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $6.99 minus this $4 registry reward that I did in fact get back brought the total down to just $2.99 for the Gillette Fusion razor. And then for the Crest Toothpaste, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. And these are priced this week at Walgreens for $4. So I purchased 2. That brought my total to $8. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $5. And you will receive a $4 store coupon. This one printed off. I don't know if this one was for the Crest or if it was for the Gillette. I think it was for the Crest. But anyway, you will receive a $4 store coupon. And with receiving this $4 store coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $1 for both boxes, or it'll make each one just 50 cents. And then with the 1x Poise 2-in-1 liners, this is the 50 count. This is priced at Walgreens for $7.79. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the app. And with using that digital coupon, it's going to bring your total down to just $4.79. We also have a Fetch Rewards rebate offer. Now keep in mind that not all Fetch Rewards accounts will have the same rebate or the same amount. So on my account, I did have a $5 Fetch Reward rebate when I purchased one. So $4.79 minus that $5 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that made this box of porous liners completely free, plus a 21-cent moneymaker. And then after that, I just grabbed this package of noodles, which I was supposed to have put in my second transaction, but I accidentally put it in my first transaction. So that's everything that I got in my first transaction. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, the Tide liquid rung up as $11.94, Tide Pod $11.94, Bounty $11.94, the Gillette razor $9.99, both of the Crest $4, so $8 total. The Poise at $7.79, and then the noodles at 39 cents. And then there is my paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. My $3 digital came off of the Gillette, $3 digital for the Crest, $3 digital for the Tide, my $3 digital for the Poise, and then my 25-cent digital for the Bounty. Now, yes, you guys, my out-of-pocket was high, as you guys can see. And I'm actually okay with that. Like I say, whenever I do have to spend a high out of pocket, as long as I'm getting back what I spent plus some, then I'm okay with it. So I had absolutely no problem with spending this amount out of pocket. So as you can see, my subtotal came out to be $49.74. When you look down here, I earned a total of $24.10 back in Walgreens cash. So of that $24, I received $10 for spending $50, and that came from my digital booster. I received $5.49 for my birthday month. I received 610 Walgreens points, and then I received my $8 in Walgreens cash for spending $35. So that's a total of $24.10 that I got back just in Walgreens cash. Then, because I purchased the Bounty in both of the Tide, I got back my $10 registry reward for that, my $4 registry reward for the Crest, my $4 registry reward for the Gillette, and I got back this $10 P&G coupon for spending at least $50. So I got back a total of $28 in rewards. So I got back $24.10 in Walgreens cash, and I got back $28 in rewards. So that is a total of $52.10 that I got back in rewards. Plus, I got back my $5 from Fetch Rewards. So that's a total of $57.10 that I got in rewards. So with all of the rewards that I got back, that made this entire transaction completely free, plus a $7.36 moneymaker, you guys. So this is, if you don't mind spending $50 out of pocket, this is a really, really great transaction to do. Now, I do understand that not everyone will want to spend that amount out of pocket, but if you don't mind it, this is a really, really good transaction to do, especially if you have the $8 in Walgreens cash paper booster, the $10 when you spend $50, because I'm always trying to find ways to use the digital booster, get $10 when you spend $50, because I hardly ever use that booster. So I thought that this was the perfect deal to do, because I knew that I was going to pair it with items that were going to give me back registry rewards. I knew that I had paper boosters. So this transaction turned out really, really well. So that's my first transaction, you guys. And before I hop on to my second transaction, guys, we're going to go ahead and get on the laptop real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the 5 giveaway winners. So give me 1 second. Okay, you guys, so I am going to be using this YouTube random comment picker. I already have my URL in from the video, and so I'm just going to go ahead and click get YouTube comments, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And right here, it says start raffle and pick random winner. So again, there are going to be 5 winners. So let's see who the first winner is going to be. And then also, you guys, if I mispronounce your name, please forgive me. Don't take it personally. Please forgive me. I just want to say that in advance. So let's go ahead and see who our first winner is. Okay, so our first winner is First Lady Wilson. Her comment said, I am definitely interested in the giveaway, and I love your videos, especially your cash stuffing ones. Keep it up, honey. I have done all the requirements. So congratulations, First Lady Wilson. She is our first winner. So now let's go ahead and pick the second winner. Okay, so AL, but the comment says, congratulations. Please enter me in the giveaway. Thank you for the deals. So AL is our second winner. Let's see who the third winner is. May Gonzalez. Please forgive me if I did not pronounce your last name correctly. And this comment says, hello, I'm interested in giveaway just completed. Requirements, like your channel and stockpile video, very organized. So congratulations to our third winner. The fourth winner is Denise. Her comment says, I love your stockpile videos. All steps completed. Please enter me in the giveaway. So congratulations, Denise. So finally, we will see who our last giveaway winner is. Lisa Bell. Okay, so Lisa, this is actually Lisa's second time winning a giveaway with me. So congrats, Lisa. Her comment says, congrats on reaching another milestone. So congratulations to all 5 winners. You guys have until Friday, June 4th to email me, letting me know that you guys are the giveaway winners. Again, you will be receiving $20 via Cash App or Venmo, whichever you choose. So, Friday, June 4th is how long you have to email me. So once again, congratulations, you guys, and I appreciate all of you who participated into the giveaway. And be sure to look forward to more giveaways in the future, because this is most definitely not the only giveaway that I will be doing. So again, congratulations. Now let's go ahead and get into my second transaction. Okay, guys, so in my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed the 4 equals 8 double rolls Bounty paper towels. I grabbed 2 of the 12 equals 48 Charmin tissue, and then I went ahead and grabbed this package of Mentos. So with this transaction, I used register rewards, and then I used 1 store coupon. So with the Bounty 4 equals 8, they are priced at $6.99, and both of the Charmin the 12 equals 48 Charmin tissue is priced at $6.99. Now you want to be careful because they do have a red pack that is 12 equals 48, but the red pack is not on sale. If you get the red pack, it will ring up at $13.99. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it is only the blue packs that are on sale this week for $6.99. So I grabbed those packs, everything $6.99 each, and then I went ahead and grabbed this package of Mentos, which is priced at $1.29, and when you buy 1, you will receive $1.29 back in a registry reward, making this completely free. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So the Mentos rung up at $1.29, the Bounty at $6.99, both Charmin at $6.99, so $13.98. This is the $5 store coupon that I used. I had 2 $1 digital coupons for the Charmin tissue, and then I used 2 $3 registry rewards. That brought my subtotal to $9.26. With taxes included, it brought it to $10.30. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the rest of the tax out of pocket. I got back 70 cents on this transaction, but I am happy with that transaction because I have a ton of Walgreens cash to use, and I really like stocking up on this the 12 equals 48 count Charmin tissue. So I am really happy with this transaction, you guys. So that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section below if you are the giveaway winner. And let me know if you guys are stocking up on the 12 equals 48 Charmin bath tissue. Let me know if you are stocking up on that. So again, if you don't mind spending $50 out of pocket, this P&G deal was a fantastic P&G deal to do. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. And also, since everything that I have here, majority is P&G items, you want to make sure that you go to the PG Good Everyday website and submit your receipt so that you can get some points for each of your items. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Once again, congratulations to all of the giveaway winners. And I just want to make sure I say this one more time. You have until Friday, June 4th to message me and let me know that you are the giveaway winner. So that's going to be it, you guys. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.